Alright, YouTube. So, I just got off work, and you can take it off with a pocket knife if you have one. Um, the AC controls display no longer displays, but the AC and heater works. Also, changing the channel works, but just no display. They have these tabs in the back, and there are, let's see, 5. So basically, you just work in the corner, and the first one will pop out. The next one, the further around you go, the easier it pops out. That's pretty much it. After that, you just need a screwdriver to take it out, and then just undo these loop clips right here, and then put in your new one. I was able to get this one off of Amazon, and then there's a serial number. Oh, there's another one too. One of these are the parts numbers, if anyone is looking. $80. But Amazon constantly changes their prices on stuff. So, that's it.